Hey, what up, y'all? Shit, I'm making this video for Cody and shit. You know what I'm saying? Asking about the fucking DVD shit. You know what I'm saying? I installed this screen in my fucking truck. You know what I'm saying? Goddamn, what you gotta do is put a switch on that bitch, bro. I got my switch right there. Damn, I don't even know if you can see that shit. It's a switch. Toggle switch. Buy that bitch from AutoZone or Walmart or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So I slide the CD off in that bitch. Or the DVD. Excuse me. So know what I'm saying? So I said the bitch can't be watched. So I hit this motherfucking switch down here. Flip that bitch back and forth. I ain't got to turn the fucking CD player off or none of that shit. Yeah, viewing of the front seat. Yeah, got you. Y'all know about that in living color. But yeah, this switch right here, man, I installed it, toggle switch. To wire that bitch up to it. I turn that bitch off, I can't watch it no more. Turn it back on, there you go.